Hey, follow me now. Don't check on the priority. Listen to my clarity. This is reality. Hey, follow me now. You drink 3 Guinness a day, I mean 20 a one. So by 1 month you done that come to about 11 grand. Now you a ball, say you don't have no money. You don't think that kind of funny? Oh, you're this, so you're desperate and never in need, but you always find it anytime you want a draw. We do you a ball, say you don't have no money. Hear me now. Your magazine rims are short and you say food you can't afford. A 3 bills for your shot and your banana clip load. Or you a ball, say you don't have no money. And some woman know them get it anyway there. When no time for do them here. Them pick me want a book for gas school. Them say dear and a ball, say them don't have no money. Don't hear me miss a government. Oh, when I kill me with the tax them every day. But anytime the teacher them a beg a raise a pay. You a ball, say when I don't have no money. Listen me now. Holy collection plate full up at church every week. Congregation a wet up cause the church roof a leak. And the pastor say him don't have no money. That's why me say go check on no priority. I know everybody with a story. Me a sorry if it can no found no squander. And up and look for charity. Make it worse, I would even the minority. I the mawa. They tell me how you expect things to improve. If you sit on fire and refuse to make a move, and then you want ball, say you don't have no money. Wanna tell me if I lie this? I'm on beg you 99 time on your game. The one time you not with him, I tell you say you mean I really be talk. Say you bound for your money. I saw them stay. You have a clip set come and tell you one name brand them a wear. You know we not none but them a check you for your beer and a ball. Say them don't have no money. Really sure. When granny sick and dead, big money spent for funeral. But last month when she check your figure, do a medical, you did a ball. Say you don't have no money. Them is a road dog. Oh, you know no insurance and a drive like you mad. You write ask my Benz, no one a call from Father God. And a ball, I say you don't have no money. True story. One day me get a speeding ticket, and me I wonder why. What makes squad never give me a blind? I must see through me ball. Say me don't have no money. Hey, Mr. Marano, borrow me money and not tell me say your Friday it a run. See that 3 months pass and all no Friday no come, you still a ball. And I say, you don't have me money. So listen me no, listen, check on no priority. I know everybody with a story, me a sorry if you cannot found a squander and up a look for charity. Make it worse, I would even the minority. No, and the majority. Lack of opportunity, that are your excuse. Finally you get it and you still no make no use, so stop all. Say you don't have no money. Hear me now. Some company you make one heap of billions in a profits and don't want give them workers no benefits cause them a ball. Say them don't have no money. Here how some man stay. Them a bring the money for woman cause them not use the boats. But when the time come for mind the youths, that time them start ball. Say them don't have no money. Alright, real thing this no real thing. But when somebody check you for your thing before you say you flat, you give your 4 pack in them a pack. And then you wanna have some things that just set up look different. Guys like oh, I be count this thing at one time and I hit that from him sting come off him dead. Then just imagine if when a man fire him got him dead too. Imagine that. Imagine yo, how would I make man it stay like this? I used to just like how they be dead when him sting you would have dead when the trigger squeeze. I bet you when the man in the murder rate would have decrease. If man did stay like this, finally we might have some peace. Cause you run up, I bet you would do quick for run go for rifle. If you know it would have cost you your life to. And if the same principle did apply to knife, enough man wouldn't have run down murder a cycle. I bet the killing them would be so senseless. The wicked wouldn't have rape and the defenseless. You wouldn't even have done salute. The only salute would have been rebel show down a set pace. Yes, if man did stay like this. And just like how they be dead when them sting, you would have dead when the trigger squeeze. I bet you when the money the murder rate would have decreased. man did stay like this, and finally we might have some peace. Because that means most homicide would be a suicide. That means I all who I'm muggle with gun on your side. You would have to think properly before you decide to pop it off. I bet you would have rather lock it off, yo. I bet the killing them would have been so plenty, and people wouldn't have dead so innocently. More youth would have lived past 20, and enough of the jail cell them would have empty. Car gunshot would have fire only, stone would have fling. No gun wouldn't have sling, man would have rather carry a sling, yo. If gunshot did work like a beast thing, man would not take the people life like a the least thing, yo. A simple reasoning could resolve a situation, so we wouldn't ignite like gas. A better man to stay like these, but unfortunately them stay like what? Follow me now, I would have me if man did stay like this. And you say just like how the beat dead when him sting, you would have dead when the trigger squeeze. I bet you when the money the murder rate would have decreased. If man did stay like this, hey, follow me now. But if a beast man did stay like, man would they get up every day you walk with AK like say your style. And I say the murder people in the daylight, I bet some things would have stay right. If man and beast did have the same traits, the man wouldn't have brag about how them aim straight. Cause matter of fact them wouldn't know, because when them gunshot blow them gone 6 feet below. So shot with the fire, stone with a fling, no gun with no sling, man would have rather carry a sling, yo. If gunshot did work like a beast thing, man would not talk about people life like a the least thing, yo. A simple reasoning could resolve a situation, so we wouldn't ignite like gas. A better man did stay like bees, but unfortunately them stay like was. I don't know say, boy, if man did stay like bees. And you see, like how the bee dead when them sting, you would have dead when the trigger squeeze. Better the money the murder rate would have decreased. But yes, if man did stay like this, just think about that, them goodly bandits.
Certain things not right, alright. Where is the focus? Upon what them a focus? Yeah, Jamaica, just through the beat. I and I can't speak. Want to freedom of speech, just through the beat. We can't express ourselves in the song, they know the beat food we eat, just through the beat. I and I can't talk, can't tell me fans everything in my thoughts. Them only want me music play on sidewalk. Certain things them not broadcast, but I want the people go on, but the people go on. Me chat certain things them ban me. Me chat about the system them can't stand me. Sing for the girls it's like them want angry. I want the people go on, but really I go on. Me chat certain things them fight me. Pan them chat them no want to highlight me. People who are what God them think they no spite me. So me say, what we fi do then? What we fi do? We now go out down the thing just for please. So no, it's like them really want me go back, go condo pambos. It's like them want the every good, find the every good. It's like them want Rodney Price, self-figure repost. That not happen, it can't happen, could never. We have we ambition, we dignity, we pride, we proud and we culture. Dance and can't hide through the beat. I and I can't speak, want to freedom of speech, just through the beat. We can't express ourselves in the song, they know the beat food we eat, just through the beat. I and I can't speak, nah.
Everything in my thoughts.
Can't talk, everything in my thoughts. Question, where we gonna go from here? What's the focus? It's like them one dance all for disappear. Who's gonna help us? Y'all slackness and violence, them blame us. And from living our culture, them refrain us, restrain us. But no matter what them try, them can't tame us with them beat. I and I can't speak, want to freedom of speech, just through the beat. We can't express ourselves in the song, they know the beat food we eat, just through the beat. I and I can't talk, can't tell the fans everything in my thoughts. Them only other one is lonely, lonely. Yeah, girl, it's been so long since you're gone. I really, really want to know my arm. Girl, I'm missing you, missing you. Ooh, baby, don't do me like that. I really, really, really want you back. Oh, I'm missing you, and I really do. Missing you, that's all I do. Sweet love we share is no substitute. Can't find a spare, no girl, nah. So let bygones be bygones, run back to my arms. Come over here, girl, come over here. I'm along to see your body with the Vicky designer. Get over here, baby, I'm over here. I know like say me a stalk you. I hope these words that I'm chanting enchant you. The difference is me need you, me no want you. Try to understand I need someone to hang on to. Baby girl, I could be your power supply and you could be my search plug. Someone to treat you right cause you deserve love. Me now go hide it like fingers on a work glove. So long since you're gone, I really want to know my arm. Girl, I'm missing you, missing you. Ooh, baby, don't do me like that. I really want you back. Oh, I'm missing you, and I really do. Baby, my feelings for you so strong, and I'm feeling for you so long. I wish I could just reach out and touch you right now, to give you all my love and my emotion. Don't leave me sailing this lonely ocean, girl. Listen, come hug me up, hug me up, hug me up. Me miss the way you kiss me and love me up. Remember when me go road, go cheat, come home, go sleep. You still never use a tile and burn me up. I was wrong, now I'm missing you so much. Gear fi change, but me can't sink no clutch. Cause you're gone, you're gone, you're gone. I'm really missing you in my arms, girl. It's been so long since you're gone. I really want to know my arm. Girl, I'm missing you, missing you. Ooh, baby, don't do me like that. I really want you back. Oh, I'm missing you, and I really do.
But if walls could ever talk, it would be so unkind. Hey, you are in a 5-star hotel, chilling with a rock star, lying in this bed with another man when you should be home instead. Room service ordering, champagne sipping, love making, damn we tripping. I know you're hoping your man will never know, but remember the walls know your secrets. Your secrets. Oh, the walls know your secrets. Your secrets. Oh, now baby don't worry 'cause I don't kiss and tell. Yeah, my secrets as well. Just remember these 4 walls, they know your secrets. Oh, all the things you've done right here, no one will hear a word about it. No paparazzi, no closet cameras, leave it all here on this bed. The diamond earrings that you're wearing, remember they're from an old-time girlfriend. No one will ever know. Now the walls know your secrets. Your secrets. Oh, the walls know your secrets. Your secrets. Oh, now baby don't worry 'cause I don't kiss and tell. Tell my secrets as well. Just remember these 4 walls, they know your secrets. Your man would be so mad if they knew that you were hiding secrets like these. What would he do if he were to know everything there is about you? Like these walls know your secrets. Your secrets. Oh, the walls know your secrets. Your secrets. Oh, baby don't worry 'cause I don't kiss and tell. Yeah, my secrets as well. Just remember these 4 walls, they know your secrets. Lord, everything I'm still around the place. Why? Oh, why? watch it, gunshot, no respect a soul. No make the vibes you mash up we home. Can't believe we live to see we paradise turn in a war zone. Gaza summer only side, summer one we have to watch it, gunshot, no respect a soul. No make the vibes you mash up we home. Junior gang say welcome to Jamrock, but the more we watch the news is like welcome to gunshot. Tourists and the native them afraid of the whole rock. What kind of thing that? What kind of thing that is what happened to Jamrock? The youth them on the road said them have a well strap, but at the end of the day who I watch them head back. Can't really trust no guy, cause it not take nothing for him to reply. Can't believe we live to see we paradise turn in a war zone. Cause that's some only side, summer one we have to watch it, gunshot, no respect a soul. No make the vibes you mash up we home. Can't believe we live to see we paradise turn in a war zone. Cause that's some only side, summer one we have to watch it, gunshot, no respect a soul. No make the vibes you mash up we home. Hey, I know only politics divide the people again. No, it's like music and I divide the ends. Oh Lord, I know Jamaica that. I know how sweet Jamaica that. You know say a gun in a waist, gunman and shoot up the place. It's like a gangster's paradise. I know one love again. Oh Lord, I know Jamaica that. I know how sweet Jamaica that. Hey, can't believe we live to see we paradise turn in a war zone. Cause that's some only side, summer one we have to watch it, gunshot, no respect a soul. No make the vibes you mash up we home. Can't believe we live to see we paradise turn in a war zone. Cause that's some only side, summer one we have to watch it, gunshot, no respect a soul. No make the vibes you mash up we home. Hey, remember when the love used to run the place? Now I be a war, I occupy the base. This gone well past the rat race. It's more like a human disgrace. No one no war in the yard. Want my paradise back in the yard. Eh. No one no war in the yard. Me say it gone too far. Can't believe we live to see we paradise turn in a war zone. Cause that's some only side, summer one we have to watch it, gunshot, no respect a soul. No make the vibes you mash up we home. Can't believe we live to see we paradise turn in a war zone. Cause that's some only side, summer one we have to watch it, gunshot, no respect a soul. No make the vibes you mash up we home.
David out, pass me the chalice and say Shango take a sip. We going on a high grade trip. Yo, we not go left with mistress. We not go left down on my wrist. So set and the risk. Sometimes I take my time, it cannabis. When I belong to me, the road, they say them off it under this. We planting acres and acres. So me tell the youth themselves, we plant up the whole of Jamaica. Acres and acres. Let me hear it for the reapers and the buyers and the cultivator. Acres and acres. I'm loving on my heart for the weed. Me have to burn the haters. Acres and acres. We spell it with a G-A and I call it ganja maker. So me tell Babylon say no fi touch me ground. And me tell the wicked man say no fi cut it down. Me never come up by your place and try to shut it down. I never use me bulldozer and try to buck it down. Me tell the youth them bring some weed and me touch it come. I tell them bring some more food and me touch it come. I said them want me weed ground. Then I must say fun me prefer plant the weed and figure bust the gun. Aye. Acres and acres. So me tell the youth themself it plant up the whole of Jamaica. Acres and acres. Spell it with a G-A and I call it ganja maker. Acres and acres. I'm loving on me yard for the weed. Me have to burn the hater. Acres and acres. Yo again a bigger judgment. Hey, see it now. Bo 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 helicopter come. Bo 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 invade me weed ground. Bo 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 me fire the next jump. Bo 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 50 pound a gun. Yo, me nah go swap it for no coke, nah swap it for no opium, nah swap it for no Hennessy, nah swap it for no rum, nah swap it for no bullet, nah swap it for no gun. Proper infrastructure, no one tell them bring the money come. I got me smoke and a joke, me no take no cold. I got me smoke, make it show. I got me smoke and a joke, me no take no dough. Whoa. I got me smoke, at the highest grade, put it in the chalice, make it blaze. Smoking acres and acres.
Some me tell the youth themselves to plant up the whole of Jamaica. Acres and acres. Want me to the reapers and the buyers, me say I'm the cultivator. Acres and acres. Killing out the weed, I know me find out them a weed undertaker. Acres and acres. Up weed for the doctors and the teachers and the baker. People want change, so them send for Obama. So them get a George Bush and them drama. Every day them a search for Osama. And them can't find him on no corner. Tell them to legalize marijuana. More money for the youth them in a Ghana. In a Kenya, up a Botswana. Tell them spend more money for the teachers and the farmer. Yeah. In a Gambia, South Africa, Mozambique, Ethiopia, and a joke, yeah, I eat the smoke, yeah. Zimbabwe, we smoke it every day, man, I'm play, yeah. They know them fighting in another zone. I know me see them plant up so much of California. We planting acres and acres. So me tell the youth themselves they plant up the whole of Jamaica. Acres and acres. Make us spell it with a G-A-N and call it Gan Jamaica. Acres and acres. Make me hear it for the reapers and the buyers and the cultivators. Acres and acres. Loving on me heart for the weed, my on the hater. Yo, then why the fuck?
Picture makes a promise in a poor people memory. Yes, it is burning. Hear me out. Now give me that talk if you can't put the money where your mouth there. You would say go to school, put the money where your mouth there. Bills off the pay, put the money where your mouth there. No promises, no more false promises. No talk if you can't put the money where your mouth there. Slap rag and so off, put the money where your mouth there. People can't find food, put your money where your mouth there. Hear me out, hear them complaining. So the youths are got long too bad. In a garrison full of the ruthless map. Some are ram, some are grab, some old barrel crab. Hey thief, never love is the thief with long bag. Politics and them a quarry Lutan. Do the job. Wild people are suffer from Kingston to Saba. Innocent lad that get shot up and tag. Full time them for share with them have. No give me no talk if you can't put your money where your mouth there. You would say go to school, put your money where your mouth there. Bills off the pay, put your money where your mouth there. No promises, no more false promises. No talk if you can't put your money where your mouth there. Stop brag and show off, put your money where your mouth there. Youths that can't find food, put some money where your mouth there. Hear me out. We work for your better living. Oh, it's so hard. The youths are living a tournament yard. I can only see you only got a face card. With a mouth full of lies like a big time fraud. And a weed in the work yet we suffer. While the big neck guys reap the butter. We live among the flies and mosquitoes. And everyday things that get rougher. Walk on by the man, it can't go good evening. Oh now, no blame me for the gun talk and dance and laggering. It a come from the system. Walk on by the man, it can't go good evening. Oh now. When the guy is come a killing field, it's a come from the head of the stream. No give me no talk if you can't put your money where your mouth there. You would figure a school, put your money where your mouth there. Bills off the pay, put your money where your mouth there. No promises, no more false promises. No talk if you can't put your money where your mouth there. You would figure a school, put your money where your mouth there. Bills off the pay, put your money where your mouth there. Hear me out. Everything gone upside down, that's the remaining rhetoric. Every time I hear the sound of the critics, find out that them a hypocrites, some big time political slanderists, trying to blame everything on the artist, lyrical poetics. Music is a free will practice. We sing what we learn from the dirt when them this. Now tell me say that this, me got this, hey. Walk on by the man, it can't go good evening. Oh now, no blame me for the gun talk and dance and laggering. It a come from the system, hey. Walk on by the man, it can't go good evening. Oh now, the garrison become a killing field. It a come from the stream. No give me no talk if you can't put your money where your mouth there. You would say go to school, put your money where your mouth there. Bills off the pay, put your money where your mouth there. No promises, no more false promises. No talk if you can't put your money where your mouth there. Stop so off, put your money where your mouth there. Man can't find food, put your money where your mouth there. Oh no, no talk if you can't put your money where your mouth there. You would say go to school, put your money where your mouth there. Bills off the pay, put your money where your mouth there. No promises, no more false promises.
Chatty, mama, afraid of you.
Peetah now, yes, hear me out. Say what no concern you, leave it alone. You miss a loose lip, come around. Mind your own business. Good boy no like informer. You miss the chatterbox, carry the bring come. You miss the lab amount. You need a padlock in your throat. Mind your own business. Good boy no like informer. Me born instigator. So much tell bearers is around. And if you chat them ready for this with a phone. Mind your own business. Them youth are no like informer. As he said them a hypocrite. Them only got a smiling face. Me not trust them, deal with them case. Mind your own business. Them youth are no like informer. Me tell you them me not proud with them. Because them out enough with them. False witness news carrier. Against the problem. Be careful of the enemy. We say them are your friend. Them only full of big false pretense. Them are moving inquisitive. Ain't some guy too fast. When them here or your yard, them gonna road down talk. Who up it up and move a big dog a bag. Them hide and I make phone call. Hey, so why no concern you? Leave it alone. You miss a loose lip lab amount. Mind your own business. Rude boy no like informer. Say them a chatterbox, you bring come. Some big come around. You need a padlock in your throat. Mind your own business. Rude boy no like informer. You miss a instigator. So much tell bearers is around. And if you chat them ready for this with a phone. Mind your own business. Rude boy no like informer. Say them a hypocrite. Them only got a smiling face. Me not trust them, deal with them case. Mind your own business. Good boy no like informer. Some of them are mostly journalists. And some are talking parrot. We just split tail them sell out the youths. Split it out them circle the herb base. And bunny down flat. Innocent in a jail and them never bust no shot. Your mouth need a duct tape or a ziplock. You watch a hater. I soon grow and cataract. Then real, you a surveillance that. Full time the news carrying for stop. Hey, what no concern you? Leave it alone. You miss a loose lip, come around. Mind your own business. Good boy no like informer. Me bunch at the box, carry the bring up your mouth. You need a padlock in your throat. Mind your own business. Good boy no like informer. You miss a instigator. So much they bearers is around. If you check them, I got this with a frown. Mind your own business. Good boy no like informer. Missy said them a hypocrite. Them only got a smiling face. Me not trust them, deal with them cause. Mind your own business. Good boy no like informer.
Baby, I know when you feel like say, yeah, use you know, take you for fool or nothing. But me I be real, how I feel right now, this time. Yeah. Whoa, I'm attracted to you in every sense of the word. Physically and mentally, you're my favorite girl. We did a lot of talk on the phone. Me no want talk when you're coming on my own. And me no want you think so you're not alone. But tonight me just want dagger. I'm a straightforward kind of brother. Me know me so we coulda just chill tonight. But when me see your body girl me can't bother. Me just want dagger. And left all of the talking fit tomorrow. Tonight I wanna make you my baby mother. Whoa. Me just want dagger. Baby, it don't get no realer than this. You have me brain a spin like get them on the axis. We talk so we love no action to practice. And a gangster like this, no practice the back face, girl. You get emotional and mental satisfaction. But me not gonna ignore this physical attraction. Don't get me wrong, no misinterpret my action. But tonight me just want dagger. I'm a straightforward kind of brother. Me know me so we coulda just chill tonight. But when me see your body girl me can't bother. Me just want dagger. And left all of the talking fit tomorrow. Tonight I wanna make you my baby mother. Whoa. Tonight me just want dagger. Girl you know I love you dearly. And I'm all the way straightforward kind of brother. Me know me say we coulda just chill tonight, but when me see your body, girl, me can't bother. Me just want dagger. And if all of the talking fit tomorrow, tonight I wanna make you my baby mother. Whoa, tonight me just want dagger. I'm attracted to you in every sense of the word. Physically and mentally, you're my favorite girl. We did a lot of talk on the phone. Me no want talk when you're coming on my own. And me no want you think so you're not alone. But tonight we just want dagger. I'm a straightforward.
There was just heavens and earth. There was just dark. Then God said let there be light. Then there was day. But he separated from the night. From the night. God created man, but man couldn't live without a wife. Then there was you, and you were the perfect gift from life. There was no shame, cause we were under his eyes, and it felt so right. It felt so right. There would be no you, there would be no me, if there was love. There is just one life, live it and right. Let's teach each other how to love. With your hand in mine, we could make it through the test of time. Never behind, you'll always be right by my side, sharing what's mine. For better or worse tonight, I'll sacrifice. Now is the time. Everything I do is for you. You can build a life of love without trust and truth. Babe, my heart is yours, and every little thing in it is too. It's only for you. There would be no you. No me, if there was love. If there was love, there is just one life. Live it and do right. Let's teach each other how to love. Let no one tear us apart. What God put together, it really hurts my heart when we're not together. Let no one tear us apart. What God put together, baby. Hey, hey. Cause everything I do is for you. You can build a life of love without trust and truth. Babe, my heart is yours, and every little thing in it is too. It's only for you. There would be no you, there would be no me, if there was love. Oh, so much love. Let's teach each other to show how to love. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Every other night I wake up around 10 to get ready for my night out. Say I'm heading with my girlfriends. Heart racing, anxiety at its highest. This is the peak. We've been friends for a while now. Our meetings lately, fulfillment we seek. But this is weighing on my conscience. Think I'll end up breaking down and start to spill my secrets. Or should I hush, 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 hush? Or should I keep on living double life? Should I hush, 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 hush? But eventually I get tired of all lies. When we met, I asked, can you keep a secret? 'Cause I can too. No one has to know. between us except us two. When I see you out, I pass you by, but I'd always give a little smile and look for that twinkle in your eyes. Now should I hush, 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 or should I keep on living double life? Should I hush, 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 hush? But eventually I get tired of all lies. My emotions are taking over. Can't think logically. Laying with him, have you on my mind? I got so much misery. I can't stand to lose either one of you. I've gotten so greedy. I don't like this person I'm turning into. Now should I hush, 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 or should I keep on living double life? Should I hush, 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 hush? But eventually I get tired of all lies. Should I run? Should I pick one? Should I just throw back and have some fun? Should I run? Should I pick one? Should I just have some fun? My emotions are taking over. Can't think logically. Then you're with him. Have you on my mind? I got so much misery. Can't stand to lose either one of you. I've gotten so greedy. I don't like this person I'm turning into. And should I hush, 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 hush?
If I say yes to you tonight, know that I love you. I'm doing this for you. Mama said love's a sacrifice. I do what I gotta do. Ain't nothing necessary for you. You're like a cigarette, boy, you're no good, but I want you. You're like a hurricane, boy, you bring the rain, but I need you. You're like a heartbeat, I couldn't be without you. Oh boy, I need you bad, best thing I ever had. I feel my body running cold, no turning back now. You're all up in my zone. This could be a messy situation. Wherever the chips may fall, my back's against the wall, baby. Like a cigarette, boy, you're no good, but I want you. You're like a hurricane, boy, you bring the rain, but I need you. You're like a heartbeat, I couldn't be without you. Oh boy, I need you bad, best thing I ever had. Come get this loving tonight, baby. I got all the moves, my style is tight, baby. You won't need no more, baby, let me explore. I'll take you to ecstasy, let me set you free, baby. You're like a cigarette, boy, you're no good, but I want you, baby. You're like a hurricane, boy, you bring the rain, but I need you. You're like my heartbeat, I couldn't be without you. Oh boy, I need you bad, best thing I ever had. You're like a cigarette, boy, you're no good, but I don't wanna be without. You're like a hurricane, boy, you bring the rain, but I need you. I need you, baby. You're like my heartbeat, I couldn't be without you. Oh boy, I need you bad, best thing I ever had. Come get this loving tonight, baby. I got all the moves, my style is tight, baby. You won't need no more, baby, let me explore. I'll take you to ecstasy, let me set you free, baby. You're like a cigarette, boy, you know like a hurricane, boy, you bring the rain, but I need you. You're like my heartbeat, I couldn't be without you. Oh boy, I need you bad, best thing I ever had. You're like a cigarette, boy, you're no good, but I don't wanna be without. You're like a hurricane, boy, you bring the rain, but I need you, baby. My heartbeat.
Baby, let's start again. Let's do it right this time. I'm not playing no games. True now. I know we don't see eye to eye sometimes, but girl, I try, and I'm not gonna quit this fight for your love now. Cause baby, for you I sacrifice what I need to, girl, cause I know that all of my life I've been searching for someone like you, and now that you're here, I'm not gonna let you leave. Give it time, baby, please. My love is what you need. Let me give it to you, yes indeed. Baby, just love me more, hold me close. Your sweet touch is so tender. Love me more, hold me close. Girl, to you I surrender. Love me more, hold me close. Your sweet touch is so tender. Love me more, hold me close. Girl, to you I surrender. This fire is burning and girl, my pot's bubbling over. It's reaching a level I cannot control anymore. There's something about this thing we got that's so special. I feel it so deep in my soul, something I can't control. So love me more, hold me close. Your sweet touch is so tender. Love me more, hold me close. Girl, to you I surrender. Love me more, hold me close. Your sweet touch is so tender. Love me more, hold me close. DJ for them city. I know it's been kinda like an uphill fight. We keep going at it but we can't get it right. Still I feel like better days are inside. Cause when we link up you make my fire light, girl. So work with me, baby, don't stop, cause we got an exclusive day. A one in a million love just sent from above that I think we should be cherishing. So let's start over, baby. Let's love each other like it's just me and you, girl. There is no other, I know. If you open up and let go, we can make this love flourish and grow. Baby, just love me more, hold me close. Your sweet touch is so tender. Love me more, hold me close. Girl, to you I surrender. Love me more, hold me close. Your sweet touch is so tender. Love me more, hold me close. Yeah. Cause baby, for you I sacrifice what I need to, girl, cause I know that all of my life I've been searching for someone like you, and now that you're here, I'm not gonna let you leave. Give it time, baby, please. Yeah. My love is what you need. Let me give it to you, baby. Yeah. So love me more, hold me close. Your sweet touch is so tender. Love me more, hold me close. Girl, to you I surrender. Love me more, hold me close. Your sweet touch is so tender. Love me more, hold me close.
Hey, nah. Oh, yeah. The other day my face and my baby girl left me. Why you stand up on the outskirt to watch me? Love is lovely. Shit. I'ma do that a lot. Girl,
Girl, when me see your smile, it's like a God comes to me. Let's free have a girl like you in my company. Stop the rain in my life from being sun come to me. Girl, you are the only up when things look down for me. A decade still feel like dating. Oh, you keep me love so fresh, it's breathtaking. Can't get like the lingerie, the love naked. Every day you get your brand new ratings. Girl, you bring joy, happiness and vibes. Our friendship not feel like 9 to 5. Home sweeter than road, I am satisfied. No nagging or no stress, I'm loving the life. Girl, you bring joy, happiness and vibes. Our friendship not feel like 9 to 5. Home sweeter than road, I am satisfied. No nagging or no stress, I'm just loving the life. I will give you my all and no worry about hurt. You are the real type girl with less effort. So I now have no problem with putting you first. You know the value of your body and you know where love work. Thanks for giving while others complain. While them a face losses again, we again. Show and give respect and you do the same. To stay happy this way is my lifetime aim. You bring joy, happiness and vibes. Our friendship not feel like 9 to 5. Home sweeter than road, I am satisfied. No nagging or no stress, I'm loving the life. Girl, you bring joy, happiness and vibes. Our friendship not feel like 9 to 5. Home sweeter than road, I am satisfied. No nagging and no stress, I'm just loving the life. Yeah. But it's got no scat think I love is love and war is ugly. Some boy move like some gully monkey. Well, big up who forget big up and large up who forget large up. Cause my girlfriend love me badly. Yeah. Some boy and the girl say it's very sadly. So can they get there now? This is all about love. Me and my girls there. Now my girls there. Oh, nah, nah. Imagine loving someone you have less fight. No fussing or no yelling or no sleepless night. Because I'm blessed to be in love with Miss Right. Do more good than harm every day in your life. Hey, easy to let you function better and make your work get light, yeah. A smile alone when she walk in, make the whole day bright. Girl, you bring joy, happiness and vibes. Our friendship not feel like 9 to 5. Home sweeter than road, I am satisfied. No nagging or no stress, I'm loving the life. Girl, you bring joy, happiness and vibes. Our friendship not feel like 9 to 5. Home sweeter than road, I am satisfied. No nagging or no stress, I'm just loving the life.
Birds one feather, stick together, just like Bonnie and Clyde. Love you forever, leave you never, always by my side. When I'm with you, you become the reason for life. Glad I met you, thank you for the queen he provides. You become the sunshine that turned darkness to light, to light, to light. Searching, I'm searching from where loving like yours could never end. Searching, I'm searching for someone like longing for love, and I found it in you. Searching, I'm searching from where loving like yours could never end. Searching and searching and searching for someone like you, and I found it in you, in you. When I'm with you, you take me higher each and every day. Glad I met you, love me in your own special way. Search so long, now I'm sure that you are the one, the one, the one. Sunshine or rain, yeah, through the heartaches and the pain. No, 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 no. Girl, I'll be loving you the same, the same, the same. Searching and searching for when loving like yours could never end. Searching, I'm searching. soothing sound. We got the whole world turning. Turn it up, selector, don't you turn it down. Just let the fire keep burning. Play reggae music with the soothing sound. We got the whole world turning. Turn it up, selector, don't you turn it down. If you're keeping a party and you want it Fyah, send for the hot girls with that all your shorty. Anita, Vanessa, Karina, Marina, keeping a session and you want it from. Send for the artists to make them nice obsession. And sound a string up, stage a set up, vibes a build up, and the people just a love up. Come for listen reggae music with the soothing sound. We got the whole world turning. Turn it up, selector, don't you turn it down. Just let the fire keep burning. Play reggae music with the soothing sound. We got the whole world turning. Turn it up, selector, don't you turn it down. Music is a mission, not a competition. So tell me why them fighting like them politicians. It's just the music, we got to use it. Don't you abuse it, we can't afford to lose it. Don't make up my mind and set my resolution to teach the use the right and be right side and to wrong. Big up my neighbors, big up my brothers, big up the elder, every elder entertainers. Everywhere me go, I hear them say, are you from a reggae band? Everywhere me go, me hear them say, can I have a picture? Everywhere me go, me hear them say, can I have your autograph? Everywhere me go, I hear them say, listen now. Play reggae music with a soothing sound. You got the whole world turning. Turn it up, selector, don't you turn it down. You just the fire keep burning. The reggae music with a soothing sound. You got the whole world turning. Turn it up, selector, don't you turn it down. It's just the fire keep burning. Music brings me joy, keeps me happy. Music feed my mom, it feed my papi, and all my children too. When the music hits, you feel no pain. That's what the elder did say. So play the reggae music night and day. Everywhere we go, we hear them say, you're from Jamaica, no? Everywhere we go, we hear them say, you know Bob Marley. Everywhere we go, we hear them say, bring the youths come. Everywhere we go, there's a big up validation, them who set it for earlier. They love the reggae music with the soothing sound. You got the whole world turning. Turn it up, selector, don't you turn it down. Just let the fire keep burning. Play reggae music with the soothing sound. You got the whole world turning. Turn it up, selector, don't you turn it down.